The last exchanges closed $9.4, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Velo generally has a medium-term opposition at $5 in a kind of huge manner. Velo's MA 10 sort of shows a genuinely descending pattern, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, showing how Velo essentially has a medium-term opposition at $5, which really is genuinely huge. So 5 walk 2024. In this we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week. From now and truly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues facts. What basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Velo. Basically is Velo an excellent venture? Velo support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense is very huge. However, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Velo specialized examination in every way that really matters, let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $2,380,706.34,932, or so they explicitly thought. The really absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $222.4 to $65.27.66, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62 to $801.76 level after a decay of 5.71% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to $3,559.78 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that the essentially complete exchanging volume generally remains at $222,465.27.66. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time span in a very significant manner. So all the exceptionally local coin of Solana by and large is up by 146 and presently exchanging at $132.35 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, XRP came to dough upon 61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.96% in esteem, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions essentially show that the market generally is going in a for the most part descending course for present moment, which in a real sense is very critical. As of now, a certainly broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which in every practical sense shows that the genuinely complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $222.4 to $65 or $27.66 in an unpretentious way. Support by and large is a level at which purchases in a real sense become substantially more really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, showing how Velo for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $95, which sort of is very huge. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers explicitly become move certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which merchants truly become move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in a fundamentally huge manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo essentially is exchanging at $4 with an exchanging volume of $543,743, exhibiting that Sol, the extremely local coin of Solana by and large, is up by 146 and presently exchanging at $132.35 in an especially significant manner. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with an especially all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 US, which all things considered shows that right now a sort of broad all things considered negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value examination, Velo cost investigation for 05 walk 2024 inside an especially everyday time span truly made sense of beneath, showing that 05 walk 2024 In this, we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things facts. What truly is truly momentary cost expectation for Velo? Sort of is Velo a very wise interest in an especially significant manner? We utilize genuinely relative strength indexes, moving exceptionally normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving truly normal SMA and dramatic moving especially normal MA2 in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Velo, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to 559.78 during the past 24 hours, which generally shows that the complete exchanging volume sort of stands at total 222.460, 527.66 in every way that really matters huge way. The genuinely relative strength list RSI shows that the Velo coin in every practical sense is in oversold stage, as RSI most certainly is at 30 in every practical sense significant way. The Velo's moving truly normal combination and disparity MACD pointer especially is showing an especially present moment generally sell pretty sign, as the MACD line in every practical sense is moving underneath extremely signal line, which in every way that really matters implies by and large bears generally are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that right now, and all things considered, general fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is genuinely critical. While Velo's Williams %R pointer generally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition, and by and large transient pattern, especially inversion generally is conceivable, or so they fundamentally thought. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the very current economic situations, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo basically is moving in descending course, as really bears effectively for the most part take the coin underneath quick help level of $4, exhibiting that Velost exchanges close $4 in an unobtrusive way. Presently, Velo ought to generally track down a help at $4, or more than likely the merchants could then focus on the vital help level put at $9.5, which by and large shows that Velo especially is moving in every practical sense, descending heading as sort of bears effectively especially take the coin beneath prompt help level of $4, exhibiting that Velost exchanges close $4 in an essentially significant manner. Ends Velo truly is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to explicitly suggest that the digital money especially is in a problematic circumstance that can't truly be redressed. For the most part, further appearance how following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination